Are you tired of working hard every day but never feeling free? Freelancing in 2025 is your chance to take control. You don't need a boss. You just need skill, focus, and a plan. Freelancing means you sell your skills directly to clients anywhere in the world. Writers, designers, editors, developers, anyone can do it. You decide when to work and how much to earn. But freedom comes with responsibility. You are the business. Start by choosing one valuable skill. Pick something people pay for. Graphic design, copywriting, video editing, translation, programming. Each of these has massive demand. Search Upwork or Fiverr and check what clients need right now. Don't guess, research. Once you choose your skill, learn it fast. Watch free YouTube lessons. Take short online courses. You don't need a degree. You need results. Build your skill until you can solve real problems for clients. Next, create your freelancing profile. Think of it as your personal shop. Upload a clear photo. Write a short, confident description. Show your work. Clients care about what you can do, not your history. Now build your portfolio. If you don't have clients yet, make your own projects. Design 3 logos, edit 3 videos, or write 3 articles. Show what you can do. Proof beats promises. Then, start applying for jobs on trusted platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Begin small. Take simple projects, deliver them well, and earn reviews. Those first 5 reviews are your foundation. They prove you can deliver. Price your work smartly. Start affordable, but not cheap. Aim for $10 to $20 per hour. After a few successful projects, raise your rate. Good clients will pay more for reliability. Communicate like a professional. Be clear, be fast, be polite. Confirm every step before you start. Say things like, "I'll deliver this tomorrow and send a preview tonight." Simple communication builds trust. Always deliver more than expected. Add 1 extra idea. Deliver earlier than promised. These small moves turn first-time buyers into loyal clients. When you get steady work, start scaling. Offer premium packages. Build long-term contracts. Turn clients into repeat customers. In less than a year, many freelancers reach $1,000 to $5,000 monthly. The key is consistency, not luck. Freelancing isn't easy. It's freedom that you must earn. Start today. Pick your skill. Build your profile. Take your first client. Repeat that cycle until it becomes your lifestyle. If you're serious about working for yourself and growing your income online, hit the subscribe button right now. Join the channel, learn every new strategy, and start building your freedom today.